So here's my new improved 90-degree variable speed electric die grinder. You can see the variable speed on there. And what I've done is I've eliminated 1 inch of distance by eliminating the collet. You can always switch out this head if you need the collet, but it works really good. I use it to sand corners, so your disc, your quarter turn disc goes on there like that. So I'll show you how this works. Looks pretty good. There's that one corner there. You always want to slow up when you get close to the wall. We got this one here. Pretty good, up to 20,000 RPM. So yeah, these are actually for sale. I make them myself. If anybody's interested in purchasing one, I sell them for $200. Comes everything on it. A variable speed switch. Of course, I can give you 2 different heads. One for short, for doing close corners. This is only 3 inches. The collet brand, or the collet version, adds 1 inch to the distance here. So works really well.